Here are some effective strategies to help you grow your YouTube views and subscribers. 1. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to help your videos appear in search results. Make sure to write compelling and accurate descriptions that entice viewers to click on your videos. 2. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when browsing through videos. Use high-quality images and bold text to create visually appealing thumbnails that grab attention and encourage clicks. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can help expose your channel to a new audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos or participate in guest appearances on other channels. 4. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and encourage them to share your content with their networks. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and engage with your viewers. Building a community and fostering relationships with your audience can help increase loyalty and encourage them to share your content. 6. Consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency helps build trust and establishes you as a reliable content creator. 7. Use YouTube analytics. Utilize YouTube's analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates to understand what content resonates with your viewers and make adjustments accordingly. 8. Cross-promote your videos. Include links to related videos or playlists within your video descriptions or end screens. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content and increases the chances of them subscribing to your channel. 9. Optimize your channel page. Make sure your channel page is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use channel trailers to showcase your best content and create playlists to organize your videos. 10. Experiment with different types of content. Don't be afraid to try new formats or topics to keep your content fresh and attract a wider audience. Pay attention to the performance of different types of videos and focus on creating content that resonates with your viewers. Remember, growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your content to increase your views and subscribers.